Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. This is another download with me. This is the June edition, and I think that you'll agree with me that June is a busy month. This month we've already had an event in Boston. It was Bio. It was a very busy event. Had a great panel that I'd like to tell you about. And then we also have DIA, and I expect that a lot of you will be going to DIA. And obviously it's also the last month of the quarter. So I'll keep it short because you probably have to get back to work. Starting with the panel we did at Bio, we had a great panel led by Christine van Rensveld, where we spoke about how to design decentralized trials from the patient perspective. And it was a good session where we reflected on the fact that not every patient may actually want decentralized trials. Maybe they don't want in-home nursing. There was a great study that was presented where it was shown that in-home nursing is actually the least favorable element in decentralized trials. And it's worth, I think, looking into that aspect of things. We make a lot of assumptions about what patients want, but the best way, obviously, to discover that is to speak to them and to engage with them. So we also spoke about how powerful it can be to have patients involved when in protocol design, have a group of people you can go to for each time you are thinking about developing a new protocol, a new therapeutic area. It's a pretty obvious thing to do, but the expectation was that it's actually not something that is happening very frequently. Anyway, that was a great session, and if you were there, I'd love to hear your feedback. And then later in the month we have DIA, where I hope to see you all. And at DIA, we'll also be doing a presentation. We'll be talking about how technology can really amplify your research. So we'll start with basic CRFs, and then we'll start talking about eSource and eConsent and ePro and the whole patient-centric workflows. We'll talk about the power of APIs to really supercharge your clinical study. And then finally, we'll do a pretty exciting demo to show you the power of large language models and AI in terms of really accelerating the build timelines of studies. And we'll speak briefly about the potential of these technologies. So we'll be in the Innovation Theater. So please look us up in the DIA agenda and attend our session. And then something that I'm also really looking forward to is the first week of July. I will be partnering with Katie Becca-Modes, who works at Scripps. And she actually recently published a cool sort of white paper on things she discovered she could do with ChatGPT. And so the two of us will be doing a live workshop on LinkedIn, really allowing you to follow along with us and see how some of these things work, and hopefully giving you some additional handholds onto how to use this technology in your work. So we'll be announcing that, and the session is going to happen early July. So yeah, that's it. Busy June. I hope you're getting everything together, and I hope you have some PTO planned for July. And of course, look forward to seeing you at DIA.